In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage clients in Monday.com. Monday.com is a versatile and user-friendly platform perfect for organizing and managing projects, including client management. Let's dive right in and get you set up with a seamless workflow. First, you'll want to navigate to your new workspace in Monday.com. This is your home base where all your client management activities will take place. Once you're comfortably in your workspace, it's time to look for the boards option. Boards are like the thematic containers in Monday.com. They help in categorizing different projects and tasks, making it easier for you to keep everything organized. Now that you've located the boards section, your next step is to click on New Board. This is the start of creating a dedicated space for managing all your client interactions and projects. When prompted, type in Client as the name of your new board. Naming your board appropriately helps in quickly identifying its purpose among other boards you might have. Once you have your client board named, you click on Create Board. This action sets up a blank canvas, a fresh start for you to customize your client management processes. Monday.com will populate some default elements, but you'll be modifying and adding to these to best suit your needs. The next key setup step is to add a client tracker board. This will involve organizing various groups to reflect the stages of your client relationships and projects. Consider including groups such as leads for those potential clients that you're in the early stages with, and active clients for those you are currently working with. You should also create a group for pending projects where you can track projects